Pepe coin holders, Pepe is sitting on a ledge right now. Maybe even some would call it a cliff, potentially getting ready to break down and go into crypto Armageddon. Or are we just getting ready to see a big bounce and the bottom is in? Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Black C and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. Okay, so we are looking at the Pepe chart right now, and we are playing with some fire, guys. We are playing with some fire. On the daily time frame, we are on a trend line I do not want to see get broken. We already tested it and we bounced back up, but guys, I really do not want to be breaking below 4014427. I have seen across many altcoins somewhat of a double bottoming. We've seen a big flush out to this level, and now we're breaking down this level, and I've seen a lot of them. This is the bottom. You bottom once right here, and you come back up, and you come back down, and then you get a nice bounce off of this. I am looking for that, and I do expect moves like this to play out here. But guys, Bitcoin is flashing some very important signals indicating that the market is getting ready for quite a large move. And if you guys want to take advantage of that, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. Take advantage of this. Not many... I've never really heard of any crypto exchanges offering this, and 15% off all trading fees is crazy. And on top of that is a limited time offer. So even if you don't want to trade right now, you want to trade in from a year from now, get grandfathered in, guys. Sign up now because you'll be grandfathered into that 15% off all trading fees. So let's look at this market, all right? Pepe sitting rank 25, down a massive, basically 30% in the past 7 days, down 2.3% the past 24 hours. Pepe sitting at $6.16 billion market cap. The market sentiment for Pepe right now is rough. It's rough. I see a lot of people being upset about it because, guys, the Trump coin launched, the politician coins launched, and it sucked a lot of liquidity out of these meme coins and even altcoin space. And right now, the main thing that's getting all the attention, guys, is Bitcoin, even though we are seeing the entire crypto landscape has changed significantly over the past week. You're talking about crypto executive orders. The U.S. is going to start a crypto digital asset stockpile. Hopefully they buy more than just Bitcoin, and hopefully they do buy Bitcoin. I think a lot of people are joking around that they're just going to be buying meme coins, but hopefully they stockpile some Bitcoin and especially Ethereum, because if Ethereum starts to make its big move up, guys, that's when you should be expecting Pepe to make quite some big moves. When you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin trading at $104,607. And Ethereum's been swinging really heavily, guys. It's exactly as what I've been saying. You know, this is the third phase of the bull market. You will see the most trappy, volatile swings out of any other time in the 4-year cycle is the post-halving year. You will see massive volatility, massive trappy behavior, lots of confusion, and more importantly, more gains. You will see much more gains. With volatility comes big gains. But guys, these swings are absolutely brutal, and I expect them to play out for the rest of the year, guys. So do not be surprised if you see massive drawdowns followed by massive V-shaped recoveries. But really, Ethereum trading between it was really $3,200 and $3,400. But right now we're in that range. Really want to see Ethereum be making its way back above 4,000. If Ethereum closes above 4K, expect massive fireworks for Pepe and massive fireworks for altcoins. But right now, guys, look at this Bitcoin dominance, okay? 57.91%. Excluding stablecoins, we are talking about basically 60% Bitcoin dominance level. And I've been talking about this for a while now, guys, that with this Bitcoin strategic reserve talk, it is much more possible that Bitcoin dominance gets a significant rally because everyone will be moving that liquidity into Bitcoin. But now if this crypto digital stockpile is more than Bitcoin, well, now we're talking about full-blown altcoin season with Bitcoin moving up and just money pouring in. But when you look at Bitcoin dominance, guys, in my video the other day, I talked about how when you look at the psychology of the market, this right here, put this in better view for you guys. You see that? Okay, yeah. This right here it looks like complacency. Like this was the top and now we're in complacency. We're getting ready to sell off. And when you look at market cipher as well, this looks like it wants to come down, but look at this momentum wave. But this money flow curving up like that, ooh, baby. It also looks like it wants to come back up. But as long as we're below, say, 59.97 on Bitcoin dominance, including stablecoins, then I do expect, like this wick right here, I do expect that we're still going to be moving over to the downside. But this is very, very trappy, but I am still expecting this to spill over. If you look at the daily, let's see if we can get any more, a better idea where we're going here. I mean, the daily looks like it wants to come up a little bit further, but like I said, 59.95, want to stay below that, and I expect to spill over, and then this is just a lower high, and we're getting ready for further moves to the downside. But guys, I do want to say also, over on Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. I say, eventually, the bull case for Bitcoin will be, it will become the world reserve currency. So I want to rewind back a few years, and why is this so important for Pepe? Rewinding back to, I've been trading crypto for nearly a decade, okay? So I've been around for a few cycles now. First, the big Hail Mary was, oh my, imagine what's going to happen when there's Bitcoin spot ETFs. It's going to go absolutely crazy. And well, it has. But when people first started talking about it, people were saying like, oh yeah, that's probably years and years down the line. Probably won't happen for 20, 30 years, you know? Well, that came. And the next thing was, imagine if a Bitcoin strategic reserve is going to happen. Imagine if that happens. Everyone's like, yeah, like doubt it. Why would the government start buying this right now? Like we're too early. And well, now look at us. There's an executive order signed for a Bitcoin, not only Bitcoin, but a crypto digital asset stockpile. In other words, a Bitcoin strategic reserve, okay? And now, what brings us from $100,000 Bitcoin to $1 million Bitcoin? And I know this sounds very, very far-fetched, and it sounds very, very, how do I even put it? It sounds like crazy to be saying this, but eventually what will bring us from $100,000 Bitcoin to multiple $1 million Bitcoin is going to be when, Michael Saylor always says it, the first person to start printing fiat money to buy Bitcoin wins. There will come a time when Bitcoin is the store of value. As long as quantum computers don't destroy that in the next 50 years. We'll have to see. But I do expect that to happen. And I do expect crypto to stay around. I do expect the world reserve currency to eventually become Bitcoin. That everyone says, well, how much is it valued against Bitcoin? How much is the US dollar valued against Bitcoin? Because you can't print Bitcoin, guys. And why is this so important for Pepe? Because, guys, this entire cryptocurrency asset class is still in its infancy stage. You know, a lot of people say, Black Sea, like, everyone says, we're early. Guys, we are early. I think right now we are in the stage of early adopters bridging the gap to mass adoption. But mass adoption will last years and years and years, guys. And the beauty of mathematics for Bitcoin is only going to go up in price. And I do expect that to bring the top 10, top 100 coins of crypto. Even if they're meme coins, they have no utility, I expect them to pull them up. I expect Bitcoin to pull them up significantly. When you're talking about $1 million Bitcoin, it's tough to believe that that Pepe, the third largest meme coin, sitting at a $6 billion market cap, can't be at a $100 billion market cap. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but I do expect big moves to happen here, guys, so be patient. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me, 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter, and check out those awesome referral links down below. $5,000 sign-up bonus to Blowfin, as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. And if you want a good on-ramping and off-ramping of the cryptocurrency space, download crypto.com. We have a link down below as well. It's a great place if you want to take profits out of the crypto space in your bank account. Use crypto.com. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.